If you have one of our OCAM Tonneau covers, there is required maintenance in order to keep the roller shutter operating in its best condition. Most of this information is applicable to both manual and electric models unless specified otherwise. For most units, the only tools you will need are a large and small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a 5mm Allen key. Clean and lubricate tracks. Hose, brush, or blow out any dirt or grime buildup and lubricate with a supplied bottle or a can of silicone spray. Avoid using oil-based lubricants like WD-40. Disconnect and clean drain hoses. Disconnect the drain hoses with a Phillips head screwdriver and flush them out with a hose. Check the fasteners on the clamps. If your tonneau is secured with clamping brackets, it's best to check the fasteners every few months. Remove the covers and check the clamping bolts with a 5mm Allen key, and also use a 10mm spanner to check that the T-nuts are also still secure. For other models, just check that all the hardware is tight and mounted correctly. Clean the drum. Clean the drum every 6 months. You can remove the cover using a Phillips head screwdriver, and this will give you access to the drum to clear any loose debris that may have collected over time. Ensure the drains are free flowing and clear of blockages. Apply lithium grease between the drum housing and the shutter slats. On manual models, be careful not to disengage the tension locking pin, which is located on the right hand side of the drum. Clutch adjustment on electric models. On the electric models, there is a clutch that can be adjusted by releasing the locking plate and using the screw beneath. Screw it in to engage and out to disengage. Only adjust if the roller is slipping or if the shutter needs to be opened or closed manually. Electric roller recalibration. On occasion, the electric roller may need to be recalibrated. To do this, locate the power supply fuse near the vehicle battery. Remove the fuse for 1 minute and then reinsert. On the roller cover remote, press and hold both the open and close buttons for at least 5 seconds to enter the calibration mode. Use the open button on the remote to fully open the roller shutter. The roller shutter will only move in small increments. Be patient and press the button again each time it stops. Once it's fully open, you will hear a double beep. Then repeat the process with the close function. Use this if the roller does not fully open or close, or if it beeps each time you open or close it. If you have any other questions or concerns, reach out to our after-sales support team.